In a bold move that signals a significant expansion into the gaming market, TerransForce, a renowned laptop brand, has recently unveiled its maiden handheld gaming console, the Handle 5. Packed with cutting-edge features and powered by the formidable AMD Ryzen 7 7840U processor, the Handle 5 is poised to make a resounding impact in the competitive world of portable gaming. At the heart of the TerransForce Handle 5 lies the AMD R7 7840U 28 watts processor. This 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse boasts a maximum clock speed of 5.1 GHz, ensuring seamless multitasking and delivering a performance punch that rivals dedicated graphic solutions, such as the RTX 2050 and GTX 1650. Backing up the processor is the AMD Radeon 780M graphics card. The Handle 5 doesn't compromise on visuals, featuring a 7-inch 16:9 touchscreen with a crisp 1080p resolution. The display's 120Hz refresh rate and 100% sRGB color gamut guarantee vibrant and smooth visuals on the go, providing an immersive gaming experience that rivals traditional gaming setups. Equipped with LPDDR5 x 6400 memory, the Handle 5 ensures swift data access and seamless multitasking. This powerful combination of processor and memory sets the stage for high-performance gaming, allowing users to tackle resource-intensive games with ease. The Handle 5 is developed for prolonged gaming sessions, thanks to its 50 Wh battery. This battery offers a 25% increase in capacity compared to mainstream handhelds, providing gamers with extended playtime on a single charge. The inclusion of a 100 watts PD fast charge ensures that users can replenish 40% of the battery in just 20 minutes, making it a convenient choice for on-the-go gaming. TerransForce emphasizes real-time control with the Handle 5's hull and a LPS trigger and joystick solution. This technology not only enhances accuracy, but also provides stability during intense gameplay. The console's 688 grams body is ergonomically developed to fit the grip arc of the palm, promising both physical ease and an immersive gaming experience. In a market where innovation is key, TerransForce has set the stage for a new era of handheld gaming with the Handle 5. With its powerful internals, stunning display, and thoughtful appearance, this gaming console is sure to make waves among gaming enthusiasts, establishing TerransForce as a force to be reckoned with in the gaming industry. The TerransForce Handle 5 is set to hit the market in the coming days, offering gamers the choice between two configurations tailored to their preferences and budget. With the base configuration priced at $650 and the upgraded variant at $750, TerransForce is poised to redefine the handheld gaming experience, combining power, versatility, and affordability in one groundbreaking package. Gamers, get ready to elevate your gaming experience with the Handle 5. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe to our channel, have a nice day and good luck.